Hello, Vancouver. I'm McEnerny-Ogle, Mayor for the City of Vancouver, and today is Friday, January 22nd, 2021. Thank you to Sarah Hafer and Judith Webb, our American Sign Language interpreters today. Well, we've long said goodbye to 2020, and we're already several weeks into this wonderful new year, but it's a year where we have a lot of high hopes. Hopes that are closely tied to curbing the pandemic so our community, our residents, our businesses can all regain their interactive life, but also to bring back some prosperity. This is also a time where we must stay vigilant. This is going to be tough. Clark County remains in the COVID-19 high risk category. So wearing a mask, physical distancing, and frequent hand washing remain the best practices to help ward off the virus. And I know this shared journey is stressful and very tiring, but please don't stop doing all the right things for our collective health right now. We must continue to doing all of this together. This is truly a marathon. We are seeing forward momentum in the fight against the pandemic and have reason for optimism that a return to a more normal life is on the horizon. We can do this. This week, Governor Jay Inslee announced that the state is moving into Phase 1B of the virus vaccination plan. The updated distribution plan lowers the age limit for Phase 1B folks. It was originally 70 and older, and now it's age 65 and older. Clark County Public Health also announced this week that people in phases 1A, 2A, and 1B can now get vaccinated in the county. So this includes all people who work in healthcare settings, high-risk first responders, people who live or work in long-term care facilities, all individuals 65 and older, but also people 50 and older who live in multi-generational households. And there are two categories of people who are eligible under the multi-generational household definition. So please check the Clark County Public Health website to learn more and determine if you're eligible for the vaccine. Clark County residents who are eligible to be vaccinated and need help accessing the vaccine can submit a request form on the Clark County Public Health COVID-19 vaccine webpage. The Public Health Department does not administer the vaccines, but they can connect you with a provider through its online form. When you fill out the form, there are several providers, and you click the one that you would like to have give you the vaccine. If you have health insurance and a healthcare provider, you can contact them directly about how to make an appointment for the vaccine. We're pleased to share that Vancouver's own first responders are getting vaccinated as well. Nearly 70% of our Vancouver Fire Department who started the vaccination process are receiving at least a first dose of the Pfizer vaccine, and many have already started their second dose. And thus far, more than 20% of our police officers have received their first round of the vaccine. So we'd like to thank Peace Health for prioritizing Vancouver's first responders in that vaccination process. For the latest information on the COVID and vaccine eligibility, please visit the Clark County Public Health website. And they're moving on, they're developing a mass vaccination site. This week, the county received FEMA approval for a Type 1 incident management team made up of federal, state, and local representatives experienced in handling complex emergency incidents to help them get a mass vaccination clinic up and running in the Southwest region. Details about that site, including the location, opening dates, are not yet available. Updates will be provided in the coming days. And again, all of that information is on the Clark County Public Health webpage. Because increased access to testing is a key factor in slowing the spread of the virus in our community, the City of Vancouver partnered with Clark County Public Health and others to provide a free walk-in or drive-through testing site at Tower Mall parking lot, and that's expected to operate for several months. The Tower Mall site is an accessible central location and utilizes a successful model that other communities throughout the state have implemented for their testing sites. It's a self-administered oral swab saliva test. The test is designed for those who may be experiencing symptoms or believe they may have had exposure to the virus. In its first week since opening, the site had more than 1,300 people show up to be tested, and we're seeing an average of more than 260 individuals each day. The City of Vancouver will maintain that day-to-day management and the operation site, and Clark County Public Health will oversee the training and provide all the necessary health and safety protocols. It's nice and easy. Please make sure you go to the Clark County Public Health website and check out all of the information on there. The testing site is currently open from 9 to 3:30, Tuesday through Saturday. As demands have been high, pre-registration is highly recommended to save yourself some time. And while you're on that registration site, watch the video so you can see what it is that you'll be doing. You can show up at other times, it's just that you're going to be delayed a little bit. So please make sure that you check for the details on the Clark County Public Health website. Finally, the city continues to work to support our small businesses, the very heart of our community. The city has provided more than 85 city-funded grants totaling $215,000, and we continue to work with our economic partners to identify new funding opportunities and provide important information to all of our businesses. Please visit our businesses and help the workers on their assistance webpage for more resources. Street Eats, interesting title, but it's a site that continues to expand. We've created this little interactive map to better assist food and beverage establishments needing to continue outdoor seating and curb pickup. Street Eats is on our website and on our little My Vancouver app. It helps plan your outings for outdoor dining experiences and order takeout, but it also is there to help keep our local businesses going. We're working to encourage more businesses to let us help them get through the permitting process for outdoor seating and get more of them on that map. So if your favorite local business is missing from the Street Eats process, please ask them to sign up through the simple form on the Street Eats website. And you'll find that that already has more than 60 of our local businesses through the city's free My Vancouver app. Terry and I have used it a number of times. It's a great opportunity to be out in the community and look to find a restaurant that's close by, ready for curb pickup or outdoor dining. Thank you so very much for doing your part to keeping Vancouver vital and healthy. Working together, we'll forge this path to a better day ahead. Stay healthy. Thank you so much.